Alright guys, so I'm here at the Disney World Orlando and oh wow, okay, something's about to happen guys, because I started this video, it became all crazy. I think they're having a show guys. Oh my gosh, you guys are experiencing it with me right now. Hold on.
Come one, come all.
Come on.
Royal Friendship Fair.
Oh my god, it's good, look at this. We're Disney World guys. I mean, how can you not dance? Okay, I think I messed up the lyrics guys, but who cares? Okay, anyways guys, this was just happened by accident, but it was pretty awesome. So I'm here at the Disney World right now in Orlando because I thought, hey, I'm all the way here, I might as well go to Disney World and show to you guys at least one vlog. I know I haven't any other vlogs in Miami whatsoever, but I thought at least let me show you this because it's pretty awesome. And I'm here only for one day. Because I'm here only for one day, I'm not going to be able to do a lot of rides, but whatever rides I'm going to do, I'm going to show it to you guys. So let's go on my first few rides and see how this is going to go. And yeah, I'm pretty excited guys. It's Disney World from my childhood onwards. I've been watching so many Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Goofy, all of them. It's awesome. So yeah guys, let's go and do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. And Disneyland, and this is how the Jungle Cruise looks like. I'm gonna be on it. It's gonna be so much fun, and I'm dressed in like shorts and shoes and look ready for Disneyland. And yeah, it was cute. It wasn't as exciting as I thought it would be because most of the things I saw we have in reality in India. So I don't need to come to a park to see this, but I think it was still kind of fun to be on it and have like an artificial jungle with artificial animals. But yeah, off to the next ride.
Festival of Fantasy Parade.
We have Beauty and the Beast. Guys, if you're not Frozen fans, you're missing it in life. This is pretty cool. Oh my god, anybody remember my period song? I did some Frozen songs in there. When I wake up in the morning, there, let's put on my sheets. Okay, let's not go to that song. No, it's not. It doesn't fit in. It doesn't fit into the situation. I have no idea what movie this was, but it looked amazing. I want to watch whoever this dragon was. I think it was Sleeping Beauty, people have been telling me, but I could be wrong. Work it. So I know it must be a bit childish, but to see all those characters again, I mean, I'm sorry. It's just something so cool and magical, and nobody ever can replace Disney World, Disney characters, Mickey Mouse, oh my god, like Frozen, I mean, what? Yeah, it's gonna be always awesome for me guys. I'm a Disney fan, I really am. Alright, on the new ride called Mountain Splash, the only thing with these rides is there is like around an hour to hour and a half wait for all the rides, and that's kind of, you see that? Those are all people waiting, so that's the only thing which is kind of not so good and happening when you're here because there's just too many people who want to be on the rides. I don't want to be on Splash Mountain, but I gotta wait an hour to be on it. Anyways, I wish I could take you guys on the ride, but if I do that, I will lose my phone and it will be splashed and probably will never find it again. So I will try to explain you afterwards how it was once I get through this long line. after more than an hour, finally I'm get to go on this splash ride, which you guys can see there. It's right there. But yeah, my legs are hurting. Because also you don't get to sit anyway, you just have to stand the entire time. And yeah, sorry guys for this very weird angle, but bear with me. You guys can see probably my boogers, I'm not sure. Okay, I do have to say I am a bit scared because apparently water's gonna come on us and it's gonna have a like deep fall. So let's see. It's in the ride, as you can see, and very much scared, guys. I will get wet. Hopefully, I'll survive this. Bye. Okay, guys, I don't know if you see me, but I am quite wet. This was scary, man. This was insane. It's like you can't even think. Check this. And there's one more I think coming up, guys. I have to be careful. Pray. This was so scary. Okay, guys. That ride is over, and I do have to say this was scary. I think this was the bestest ride so far. And I'm just not a free fall person. Like, not at all. Like, if anything like that happens, I cry, die. I don't think I survive. I don't know how many people of you have, all you Ricksters all have like guts to do these things, but I don't. I'm scared as hell. Anyway, so now off to the Pirates of the Caribbean one. Hopefully that won't be that scary, but yeah, let's see. Pirates of the Caribbean, here we come. It's too dark, by the way, that's why it's so pixelated. So Ricksters, I became Jack Sparrow. My name is Anisha Sparrow now. At least with this hat, this is kind of cool. I was wondering if I should buy it and be Jack Sparrow for next Halloween, but I'm not sure if I should do it. But his hat looks kind of cool. I feel like a real pirate now. Actually, that's what I always needed in life, a pirate and Jack Sparrow's hat. Because I love Johnny Depp, guys. He's my favorite. So having his hat is actually kind of cool. It kind of suits me also, doesn't it? I feel like it kind of looks cool. Of course, this is not there, guys. It's just because I haven't bought it yet and they are preventing me to steal it. So yeah, that is what this white thing is there. Anyway, so to the trip, to that ride, wasn't that cool. It was kind of fun. I mean, you saw a little bit, but it wasn't worth the wait for so long. So yeah, the Pirates of the Caribbean thing, only did it because of Johnny Depp and because of Jack Sparrow, because I love him. But other than that, nope, not really worth it. Okay, let's go on to the next ride, shall we? By the way, this seems so big. You kind of get like lose all your people. So this is like a world, and literally imagine if you lose somebody in the world, how will you find that person? So make sure you never lose anybody. I might have lost myself though. Oh, I gotta go. Tomorrowland, here we come. Really sure if waiting 80 minutes is worth it. It looks amazing, but guys, that's a long time. Anyways, I think I gotta do it. It must be amazing. Oh God, I'll tell you all about it afterwards. And guess what? We have a line again. Hello. All the way up. A line. So 80 minutes. Gotta work this through. Oh my God, I just came out of this space thing. Oh God, it was the craziest roller coaster ever, guys. Oh man, I was insane, guys. So, wow, I need to sit now. Alright, I just cannot get over this beauty which is right next to me. The palace! The beautiful palace. Wait, let me focus it a little bit. There we go. How awesome is that, guys? So this was it. This was me, Rickshawali, at Disney World in Orlando. but just in the backdrop it looks really pretty actually. So I try to keep it in center so you can watch me and the palace while I'm talking to you. Okay, anyway, so this was me at Disney World Orlando. It was awesome. Guys, please like this video if you enjoyed this video, of course, and please subscribe to my channel by clicking down here, because hey guys, it's free and you should, because you will be an awesome Rickster if you will. So agar tum sab karoge, sab theek ho jayega. Sending you all a big love bunch your way. Bye.